Hey guys, welcome. So today my wife's Model Y got self-driving 14.1.2. I'm just super excited. I'm going to take the car out for a spin. Just go to the local Stop and Shop, get some milk, yogurt, stuff like that, and come back. I never tried this. I heard a lot of hype about it, so let's see how it does. All right, guys. So we just got FSD 14.1.2 on the Tesla Model Y. This is, of course, the not the Juniper one, but it's still hardware 4. Now, one thing you need to realize is the older Tesla model, even if it's hardware 4, it does not have the front bumper camera. And reports have said that with the new one, the bumper camera is used for the 14.x.x, the newest version of FSD. So let's see how this behaves. As you can see, the start self-driving is already active, so I can just hit the button and go from here. This was never possible in earlier versions, so let's see how this goes. FSD has never done a reverse on its own. Sure, it's done auto parking, but never reverse. Now this is a really tricky driveway because you've got a road coming and it's kind of blind almost. So let's see how it does. Okay. That red thing I've never seen before. Phantom wipers, still not fixed. All right, stop sign. That's the basic ones. Stuff is still working. Okay, it slows down to check if there's no other traffic. Very nice. Please don't kill that dog lady there. All right. They said that the visualization was going to be better, but I don't know. It still looks the same. Okay, so far so good. Why? Why should I take control? There's nothing wrong. It kind of wobbled a little bit. That's interesting. Okay, this is... Why? Oh, interesting. So I got my foot on my brake. Okay, there's nobody behind me. It says that the front camera is blocked or blinded. I bet you it's because of the sunlight coming straight at the camera. It's not happened before. Okay, so that's clearly an interesting fail. I'm going to take over here and put it back on again. See, it says camera visibility. Okay, maybe it's more sensitive to the dirty windshield. Okay, I'm just going to go from here and put it back on again. Start self-driving. It is on the screen. I could have probably tapped as well. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, this is the bike path that's very should be careful. I would have slowed down a little bit more over there. I'm actually excited. I'm talking faster than I should, so it's kind of exciting to see what else will happen. It's supposed to go and park on its own. Let's see how that works. I've never seen that or done self parking with the car, but never where it goes and just does it one shot. Okay, red light, green light. No idiots jumping the light. That's good. Again, the sun is directly on the camera, so let's see if it's going to work or if it's going to fail. It should stay on the left hand side, which it does correctly. Very good, because that lane makes you go to the right. Okay, Stop and Shop is right here, so let's see how it does once it pulls in. Okay, very nice. Now what? There are a lot of people here. I got my foot on my brake, so let's see how that goes. Okay. All right, now what? Why are you taking me there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's barking on its own. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Never seen this before. Nice. It actually waited for that lady to go. Oh man, that is awesome. That's really awesome. Wow. Okay. I'm going to go get the milk and then we're going to drive back. All right, guys, we are back after getting the milk. So I'm going to go drive back home and see how it does on its way back with FSD 14.1.2 to home. Uh, yeah, that route should be fine. Okay. I don't even have my foot on the brake. Self drive. Coming. Okay, don't kill that guy. Don't kill that guy. Okay, good. You could have gone out from there, buddy. Okay. Okay. This is what your destiny says. Okay, come on, go. Nobody's coming. Green light. Please stare through it. Go for it. Awesome. Now, there's not that many cars, or it's not really that many lanes here. The driving mode is set to standard, and the new one has newer modes. So it's supposed to be sloth, chill, standard, hurry, and Mad Max. Now, in some documentation, I've seen that the sloth has been taken out and has been replaced by chill. But again, I just started driving in this version, so no idea how those will work. Okay, good left turn. Oh, sorry, right turn. Okay, bike path coming. I really want this damn thing to slow down. Okay, good. Wow, did you hear me or something? Okay, okay, okay. That was bloody jerky. But yeah, it shouldn't be tearing through the bike path or the intersection of the bike path. All right, let's see how it does here. Oh, okay. Didn't wait for that car. Good. Actually, there was enough space there. Now, my house is under this road. It never ever has found my house. It always tries to turn into the neighbor's parking lot. So let's see how it works this time. It says standard and then it says driveway. So, okay, let's see. That, that font is really small. Okay, but let's see what it really does. Don't kill my Cybertruck. Wow. That is absolutely crazy. It perfectly parked, actually. The gap between the Cybertruck and this is just perfect. Lined up with the garage. Like, wow. Very nice. Very, very nice. Super impressed. Except for that one fail because of the sunlight. All right. So I'm going to keep testing. Actually, let's go and see what the menu looks like for autopilot. Again, I think the font might be too small there, but let's see. Brake and okay, I have to really go through this. ASS is on. ASS actual smart summon. Uh, okay, I don't see anything crazy different. So the only thing is brake confirm is essentially it says you're required to press the brake and release to start FSD from the from parks. Of course, it's turned off, so I could just hit self self-drive from the screen and it worked. But other than that, I don't see that many differences here. Actually, it's also very interesting. It's picking up my Cybertruck profile and putting it in this car, so the seats are slightly off with the mirrors, which is fine. All right, awesome. So I'm going to post this video. Hopefully you guys are going to like it, and I'm going to keep testing it. See you in the next one.